Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your iPhone so you can get back online quickly. A lot of iPhone users run into this issue where mobile data is turned on, but apps won't load or the internet just doesn't work. Don't worry, here are the exact methods to fix it. Method 1. Toggle mobile data. Open Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Method 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe into Control Center, tap airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. This resets your phone's network connection. Method 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears out bad network configurations but won't delete your data. Method 4. Update carrier settings. Go to Settings, General, About. If an update pops up for carrier settings, tap Update. Method 5. Restart or update iPhone. Restart your phone, and if the issue continues, check for the latest iOS update under Settings, General, Software Update. Important notes. Make sure you have an active data plan with your carrier. If you're traveling, confirm data roaming is turned on. If none of these work, contact your carrier to check for outages or SIM issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone fixes and tips.